Imagine a world without algebra. No equations, no variables, no way to solve for kisks. Hard to picture, right? Well, today we take a journey back in time to meet the man who made algebra possible. Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi, a mathematical genius whose discoveries shaped the world we live in. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's travel to the heart of the Islamic Golden Age. Our story begins around the year 780 CE in Khwarazm, a region in modern-day Uzbekistan. A land of rich culture and knowledge, it was here that young Al-Khwarizmi was born. His name, Al-Khwarizmi, literally means from Khwarazm, a tribute to his homeland. But his journey didn't end there. He traveled to Baghdad, the intellectual hub of the Abbasid Caliphate, home to the legendary House of Wisdom. This grand institution was a beacon of knowledge where scholars translated and preserved ancient texts. And among these brilliant minds was Al-Khwarizmi, one of its brightest stars. At the House of Wisdom, Al-Khwarizmi wasn't just another scholar. He was a polymath, mastering mathematics, astronomy, geography, and even history. But his greatest contribution, algebra. His book, Algebra wal Muqabala, meaning the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing, changed mathematics forever. It was the first systematic approach to solving equations, laying the foundation for algebra. In fact, the very word algebra comes from al-jabr. Let's break it down. Al-Khwarizmi introduced methods to balance equations and solve quadratics, techniques we still use today. He even used geometry to prove his solutions, blending art and mathematics in a way that was centuries ahead of his time. His ideas transformed how we approach problem solving and laid the groundwork for modern mathematics. But Al-Khwarizmi wasn't just a mathematician, he was also a geographer. He refined Ptolemy's maps, correcting errors and helping to shape medieval cartography. He even collaborated with a team of geographers to estimate the Earth's circumference with remarkable accuracy. And in astronomy, he charted planetary movements and wrote about tools like the astrolabe and sundial, critical instruments for navigation and timekeeping in his era. Centuries later, his work continued to shape the world. In the 12th century, Latin translations of his book spread across Europe, revolutionizing mathematics and science. His name even lives on in the word algorithm, derived from Al-Khwarizmi, a fitting tribute to a man whose ideas power everything, from modern computing to everyday problem solving. Even today, in classrooms around the world, Al-Khwarizmi's influence is undeniable. Every equation we solve, every algorithm we use, is part of the legacy he left behind, a testament to how knowledge transcends time and borders. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the incredible minds that shaped our world. And let me know in the comments, who's your favorite historical figure? Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep solving those equations.